How to set a status message in Line. In this video, I will show you how to set a status message in Line app to let your friends know what you are up to. Start by opening the Line app on your phone. Now tap the home at the bottom left. Now tap on this settings icon at the top right corner and tap on profile. Now look for the status message. Once you see it, tap on it. Now type your new status message. It can be anything you want to share with your friends, like how you are feeling or what you are doing. Okay, tap it. Once you type in, tap on save. And that's all there is to it. Your friends will now see your new status message when they visit your profile. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.